Hello, my name is Claire Stewart and I am a Product Manager for Imaging Software with PerkinElmer. In this tutorial we will look at how you can get a better angle on your 3D data using the 3D slice option in the Volocity 3D image analysis software in order to extract more information from your image data. Volocity Visualization offers a number of image modes to explore your 3D data. These are shown in the drop-down menu at the top left of the image view. One of these modes, 3D Slice, bears closer examination and will be the subject of this tutorial. Please note that 3D Slice is only available when Volocity Visualization is licensed and a 3D dataset is viewed. 3D fluorescence microscopy data is transferred from the microscope into Volocity as a stack of images that are perpendicular to the objectives. Because specimens are rarely arranged on the microscope to suit this fact, a digital method of reorganizing the data is often useful. The 3D Slice mode provides this functionality. As a side effect of its functionality, the 3D Slice mode also allows you to create great illustrations of measurements obtained using velocity quantitation. The 3D Slice mode can also be used to generate output images that are oriented as required. Make sure that the 3D Slice mode is selected. This mode allows you to interact with the image in the same way as for any other image view using the tools at the top of the window. However, now Rotate Slice and Rotate About Slice tools are available for use. In this example, we're going to change the orientation of the slices to give a different view of this anaphase cell. The orientation of the slice relative to the original X, Y and Z dimensions of the image is shown in the fields below. There are also shortcut buttons to go straight to XY, XZ or YZ orientations of the slice. A preview of the new slice that will be created is shown in the preview pane. This may be hidden if desired. Once a slice orientation has been chosen, you can use the depth sliders to the right of the view to see the slice moved through the volume. The slide tooltip shows the depth through the volume in microns. To make new images in this orientation, select Reslice from the Image menu. To continue working with this data in Volocity, choose the option to reslice to an image. This will create a new image sequence with different dimensions. Choosing the option Image to Folder will create a folder of slices as individual images, ready for export. Select Reslice, Image. The newly created image sequence is added to the library below the relevant image sequence. In this case, the original image was 512 by 512 by 11, and the new image is 636 by 504 by 603. The spatial calibration has been adjusted or interpolated so that the scale remains correct to the original data. As a useful tip, using the shortcuts to XZ or YZ orientations of the slice view can be used to generate a different extended focus merge. The extended focus mode of the image view is a brightest point merge of the XY planes in the stack. To generate an extended focus view of the XZ or YZ planes, however, reslice the data using one of the XZ or YZ preset options. And then view the extended focus mode. Now the XY plane of this image is what was the XZ plane of the original image, so the extended focus merge is of the XZ direction. The 3D Slice mode also interacts very nicely with measurements feedback. In this example, two populations have been automatically detected and measured using velocity quantitation, with feedback shown in the measurements table below the image. Each row in the table represents an individual object, and selecting a row will show visual feedback in the image preview. Because measurements made in Volocity are carried through to every image view, this visual feedback also appears as coloured regions in the XYZ mode and as 3D rendered isosurfaces in the 3D opacity and 3D slice views. Other visualization options available in Volocity can be used with the 3D slice mode. For example, we may wish to capture an image of a frame using the Capture Snapshot tool, available from the Image menu. Movie making also works with the 3D slice mode. We may wish to create a movie that plays through the Z-planes of the dataset. To do this, we create a bookmark with the Z-plane at one end of the dataset, then move the Z slider to the other end and make another bookmark. We can now drag the bookmarks into the movie pane and generate a movie showing the transition between the two bookmarks. More information on making movies is available in our tutorial entitled 3D Visualization and Movie Making in Volocity. If you would like more information about Volocity, please contact one of our imaging specialists.